So while I created videos on money mindset coaching this entire month, I ended up getting a very strong message in one of my social media inboxes. A person reached out to me and asked me, Manish, how exactly will my life change if I were to invest with a money mindset coach? And I thought it's a very important topic, and I thought I should create a video on this so that I can talk to you about this, because it's very important for me on ethical grounds to give you full disclaimer on what exactly can you expect when you go through a money mindset coaching. Now, I speak only for the coaching that you will get at Paycheck to Profit, and because that's what I'm responsible for, that's my product, that's something that I've created, that's something that I've worked on, and I have invested a lot of time, effort, money, energy in this area to create a product, create a training program which I am supremely confident and proud of. So I can tell you what you can expect when you go through coaching through Paycheck to Profit. But let me be very honest, if you go through any good quality genuine coach, irrespective if they are a money mindset coach or otherwise, these are some things that you can expect. You can expect to change your entire mindset step by step over a period of time, provided you work on it dedicatedly and if you are diligent about working with your coach. Now, what exactly does a coach do is something that I've covered in one of my earlier videos. A coach can only be a catalyst to help you understand the gap areas and the kind of strategies and the step by step approach that you can take to change the area of your life that you feel stuck at. So obviously, when my clients come to me, they talk to me about money mindset. They talk to me about their insecurities of money. They talk to me about why they never feel happy with the kind of money that they have. They don't know how to manage their money. All of those topics is something that I deal with. So when you go through money mindset coaching, I can help you change your relationship with money, feel more confident about money, get more clarity about whether are you using your money correctly or not. I work extensively and exclusively and very minutely on this concept called as money blocks. So I have a program which I call as abundance manifestation framework. I help participants understand how they can create a framework for themselves, a customized framework for themselves, which can help them manifest more and more abundance into their lives. How do you do that? First, you work on your money mindset, which is something that I talk about on this channel. After that, you clear your money blocks. What exactly are money blocks? These are subconscious blocks which are existing in your mind, which are actually impacting more than 95% of your decisions with regards to money, your attitude towards money, without even you knowing it. And they are very powerful. You don't believe me? Let me give you a very small example. Have you been told that it is very difficult to earn a lot of money? Do you believe in it? Everybody's heard this at some level or the other. Even I believe in it. I believe it's very difficult to earn a lot of money. I'll tell you what changes. It's very difficult to earn a lot of money if you are not adding any value to this universe. If you're adding value, you are going to get a lot of money without even realizing how many options of money keep opening for you, how many doors open for you, how many people want to collaborate with you. All of that just falls in place. I obviously talk about this in extreme detail in my coaching videos, in my programs, but I'm here to just give you a perspective. So first you work on your money mindset, then you work on your money blocks. You get rid of your money blocks, and there are 24 of these. I just gave you one randomly. After which you understand the whole concept of law of attraction. Now, law of attraction, you will find tons and tons and tons of content on law of attraction online, and believe me, most of the content is fabulous, but I'll tell you where the biggest problem is. It's like you entering into a jungle with a blindfold and not knowing what does a jungle look or feel like and what to expect. Yes, so you may end up holding the tail of the monkey, or you may be putting your hand into the lion or tiger's mouth. I'm just giving you a vague example. You will not know what direction are you going to, how does it all fit, what does the big picture look like. It's like giving you pieces of 20 jigsaw puzzles and telling you to solve them all at once. It's possible, but it's not going to be easy, it's not going to be fun, and it's not going to be the most, it's going to be an experience that is going to leave you extremely overwhelmed, or it's going to leave you with a lot of questions and not the best amount of clarity. So in my community, I talk to my participants about how to make sense of law of attraction right from the start. After you've got done with all of these, then do I start talking to you about the real aspect of money with regards to how can you start converting your paycheck to your profit. How can you move away from your paycheck mentality to the profit mentality? What does it take? What exactly do I expect from you to work upon yourself? I talk to my participants every week in a mastermind where I help them get answers to their questions, give them new perspective, help them by making concepts a little easier just in case if they don't understand this. So what can you expect once you come to a money mindset coaching is definitely strengthening your money mindset, improving your relationship with money, getting a better understanding of money, learning how to manage your money better, dealing with your emotions of money, so on and so forth. But then provided which coach are you talking to and what's their process, what's their methodology, what's the route that they take, and what's their way of teaching. I hope I'm trying to give you a very unbiased answer because that's very important for me. Not once will I ever tell you, if you are looking at money mindset coaching, I am the only person who you should consider. No. Who am I to talk about somebody else? Look at results, look at the conviction, look at the kind of quality of the product that the person is giving you, look at what exactly are they providing. Do you even need it? You don't have the time, and if somebody is telling you to find your financial freedom by investing in stock markets, by just investing in 15 minutes, not necessarily true. That's not money mindset, that's investment. And if somebody could learn to make millions and millions by just investing 15 rupees in the stock market every day, we really would have a massive lack or dearth of working professionals, because everybody would be stuck in front of a computer screen for 15 minutes and making millions. Be very careful of where you invest, who you invest with, and what are you investing for. What exactly is your mindset before you decide to invest in any coach. I hope this has given you some perspective. If you have any questions, please do not forget to reach out to me either in the comment section below the like button or on any social media channel. All the links are given in the description below. I hope this has been useful for you. I hope you've liked this. I'll now see you in the next video. Until then, please keep smiling, take care of your loved ones, and stay happy. Kaching!